हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज मैं आई हूँ सुदाम नगर। जो सब लोग पूछते हैं मेंस के लिए कपड़े चाहिए, मेंस के लिए कपड़े चाहिए, उसकी कलेक्शंस दिखाओ करके। सो मैं आज आई हूँ सुदाम नगर डॉलर थ्रेड करके, जो द मोस्ट फेमस शॉप। सो होलसेल रिटेल क्या है क्या नहीं है, मैं पूरा डिटेल्स इस वीडियो पे बताऊंगी। सो पूरा वीडियो चेक करना ना भूलेगा एंड पूरा लोकेशन डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन पूरा मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी। सो मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो यही दुकान है। सो अंदर चल के देखते हैं क्या क्या है। ये है सुदाम नगर में स्टोर डॉलर थ्रेड करके। सो इनका इंस्टाग्राम पेज सारा चीज़ है, मैं पूरा यहाँ पर कवर अप करके आपको दिखा देती हूँ। सो आप यहाँ पर एंट्रेंस देख सकते हो, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा है और कलेक्शंस भी एक से बढ़कर एक है। सो स्टार्टिंग पे आप देख सकते हो, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शंस ओवर हियर। So I have entered the shop, guys. So hi.
Hi, Sony.
Hi.
Hi.
So how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm really good. So I really wanted to know the collections and everything because
See,
most of
after
viewers are
Ramzan,
asking.
we have got so much good collection. I was waiting for you,
Okay.
and sorry for the late.
Oh,
See, these are the collection what is arrived after Ramzan. Okay.
okay.
And in this, I have so many options to show. I don't think I can cover in one video.
Okay.
This is all dollar threads,
Okay.
which is own manufacturing and own wholesale dealers.
Okay.
And we do have a retail. Many people know us now as a retail store because we have given so many offers in retail. People knows that we are just into retail, but they doesn't know that we are into wholesale and manufacturing also.
Okay. So we only manufacture
Yes,
and
yes,
we are
yeah.
doing wholesale and
Wholesale,
retail both.
retail, everything.
Oh, that's
And we
really
have
fantastic.
another opportunity going on.
Okay.
We are giving franchisee outlets also as dollar threads.
Oh, that's really
Many
nice.
people are interested in having a clothing retail store. So we have opportunity for them to give a franchisee outlet for them as a retail dollar thread store.
Oh.
So these are all, we have different fit in this basically. When we
Okay.
come back to the denim, we have carrot fit, straight fit, baggy fit, balloon fit. We have so many fit.
Okay.
And quality wise, you get so many qualities. You get 3x1 raw wash fabric. You have cotton by cotton, power lycra, so many fabric.
Okay.
This is all the carrot fit ones.
Okay. So this complete collection is of carrot fit.
Yes, carrot
Oh.
fit. Now this comes ankle fit.
Okay.
We are into trading also. We have two brands which we trade in.
Okay.
One is Heartbreaker and one is Jimmy Jordan. In this you get tone damage. See this?
Oh.
This is a premium range of dollar threads that is from Heartbreaker.
Oh.
The quality, wash, fabric, everything, you get a guarantee for it. Any product from dollar threads, even in a retail or a wholesale, you get a guarantee for a wash, button, rivet, zip, everything. If you have any issues, you can come back to us and get it replaced. Now see this one. This is Jimmy Jordan Carrot Fit. And in this I have many options like color options, tone, design, fabric, everything. And we deal with premium stuff.
Okay.
Now see this one. This is all little premium. And our basic range denim price starts from like 395. It goes up to 1100, 1200 also.
Okay.
So this is the wholesale pricing range. Okay, 390 is the wholesale.
Okay.
Up to 1200. And similar price I can give in retail also.
Okay.
Now see this fabric. This is all IMP fabrics.
Okay. IMP.
That is imported fabric. It's not a local Indian fabric.
Okay.
We do deal with Indian fabric as well as IMP fabric.
Okay.
Basically depend on the customer's requirement. And now see this one. This is cross pocket.
Okay.
In this I can give you much options. Like I can give you more than 50, 60 options like color, design, tone, everything.
So you have multi collections. Quality wise, no compromise. Quality wise is
Nothing.
A1.
Not just quality. Price wise also I can assure you the price what I will offer you in the market no one will offer. Price and the quality. And our tagline is dollar thread affordable luxury. Like every people should afford a luxury.
Exactly.
That is what we look forward for.
That's really
more than the money part of it, we look for the relationship. Like customer should have a bond and the trust with us. We'll give a good quality.
It's wonderful to know. So guys, if you guys can see, there are too many collection. यानी कि एक से बढ़ के एक collections है यहाँ पर. Quality wise, price wise, मतलब हर एक person, हर एक individual purchase करके affordable prices में पहनना है.
And anyone if looking for a retail, we do have a retail store. I think many people know about this. That is in Ibrahim Sub Street,
Okay.
and we do have wholesale.
Okay.
This many people don't know that we have a wholesale and manufacturing also.
Okay.
For them, we do deal with wholesale and manufacture. We do manufacture based on your requirement. If you want me to customize and give a denim,
Mhm.
we do that also. And we are known in shirts also. But now, as of Ramadan end,
Mhm.
we are finished with the stuff. We are updating the quality and design for the best price.
Okay.
So we are just waiting for it.
Oh.
Mostly by this month end, we get we may get new articles in shirts also.
Okay.
Pants though we have already updated.
Mhm.
Shirts, I think this month end I can give you a very premium price and
Okay.
premium design shirt at luxury price.
Oh,
luxury
that's
quality.
Really great to know. So guys, if you guys can see यहाँ पर आप हर एक जीन्स की क्वालिटी और इनकी जो हर एक फिटिंग से टोन से लेके नॉर्मल जीन्स, बैगी पैंट्स और आपको नैरो फिट, कैरेट फिट, सो आप यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे एक बार, आपको पूरा एक कलेक्शन आप देख सकते हो और अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस पे भी मिल जाएंगे. होलसेल इंटरेस्टेड पीपल भी होलसेल खरीद सकते हो, रिटेल के लिए चाहिए रिटेल भी आपको मिल जाएंगे.
So this is Jockers.
ओके.
This is from Jimmy Jordan.
ओह.
Okay, in this I can give you 3-4 colors, that is black, green and blue. Another one shade is gonna come, that is going to be acid wash color.
ओके.
So that is a nice color. I'm just expecting it to become by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. तो मेरे पास daily माल आता रहता है. It's not like just one time. See now this one. This is raw wash. Okay.
Okay.
This is raw wash fabric. The fabric is 100% Raymond fabric, and the stitches are Vardhaman stitches, not the local stitches.
Okay.
So the quality comes very luxury.
So I'll just show it in closer.
And this is all stretchable fabrics, not like non lycra. It's all
Okay.
premium lycra ones.
That's really nice.
Or if you want me to show, I can have so many stuff.
Okay.
I don't know what to show and what not to show because I have so many.
So many collections.
Yes.
And number of collection where we can't cover in single
Yes,
video,
yes,
guys.
100%.
So if you guys can see, so there are huge collections, and if you see,
I think it's better if you visit the store if you're liking to purchase for the wholesale. If you're visiting for a retail, then you can visit my other store that is in Ibrahim Sub Street next to Sham Mishra Juice Center. You can visit there for the retail. And we do have a sale going on. Many people were asking give a sale after Ramzan, so I'm giving a sale after Ramzan also. Like we are continuing it. So please visit the store for the retail and enjoy the collection. Thank you.
yes, if you guys can see, now we have seen n number of collections, and if you guys can see, like there are so many collections over here. So do visit the shop. एक बार आप visit करेंगे, so पूरा आपको collection के बारे में knowledge मिल जाएंगे और quality wise भी आप आके check कर सकते हो. So यहाँ पर जो भैया थे हमें assurance दिया है quality wise, price wise, wholesale चाहिए, retail चाहिए. So one stop destination which is Dollar Thread. और इनके पास शर्ट्स के भी कलेक्शन मिल जाएंगे, तो मैं शर्ट्स का भी शूट कर दूंगी. अभी के लिए मैं पैंट्स शूट कर रही हूँ. सो जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है यहाँ पर विजिट करें. सो शर्ट का मैं एक सैम्पल यहाँ पर दिखा देती हूँ मैं आपको. सो बैकवर्ड्स फ्रंट आपको स्टार्टिंग में भी मिल गया होगा. सो ये है शर्ट का. सो ये एक ही नहीं, बहुत सारे कलेक्शंस आने वाले हैं शर्ट्स में भी. सो आप इस वीडियो पे मैक्सिमम व्यूज कमेंट्स आप करेंगे शर्ट्स की
This is
कलेक्शन
the
देखने.
own manufacturing Dollar Threads का वाला है.
ओके.
And the price is very surprising. It's going to be 525. This is the sample what I have got. I have not
Okay.
got a whole production.
ओके.
It's still on the production. This price is going to be 525.
So
I
this
can
is
assure you,
brand?
yes,
ओके.
I can assure you no one will give this pant at 525 in wholesale.
सो आप देख सकते हो गाइस, बहुत चीपर प्राइस में ब्रांडिंग का पैंट्स मिल रहा है आपको. सो ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए और आपको और अपडेट्स चाहिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको किस पे चाहिए, आप इस कमेंट सेक्शन पे आप अपडेट कर देंगे. सो आपको मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो भी उसी बेसिस पे बना दूंगी मैं. सो डू नॉट मिस टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल गाइस. थैंक यू.